out, ready to go. All boxed out now, ready to go. Some steps there, 2 meters on this side, down the side of the house, 2 meters by 12. Concrete pad at the rear comes in to here, so I can park my car here. I can look at my car while I'm working. How good does that look? All done down the side. And the pit that I'm excited about is out the back. The new wash bay. So, wash the cars out here. It's decent size. It's like 4.5 meters by 12 meters. So the kids can play basketball on it. Be sick. So they're just going to come back tomorrow and do the actual driveway, so that'll be sweet. Actually, now it's making me keen to get my RC drift car fixed up, because look at the space I got out here, drift around there, make a big drift track in the garage. That'd be cool, a bit of fun. I've always wanted a garage that opens out to the backyard. I don't know why, just I reckon it's cool that you can actually like drive through and drive your car out in the back if you want, or maybe it just means I can get some more cars, but it looks cool, I reckon, too. Looks cool being able to like open up. Looks like you got so much more space. You open up the garage and go through right to the backyard. Looks awesome. Looking good. So he hasn't finished it yet. He's got to come back and acid wash it and then put 2 coats of sealer on it, so it'll look even better once it's finished.
If different people shakes it.
And it's all done. How good. Driveway's done. Come through the garage. What's the dog doing? Shake hands. Come out through here into the backyard. It's all done now. Wash bay. The back porch, I guess you call it. And then down the other side, it's just the path. Well, it's a decent path. It's a 2 meter path down here. So just chuck on laundry's out here, so just chuck the bins down here and probably just put a gate up here. Sorry, it's windy. Put the fence up there and then just nice and clean. So very happy. It's not quite ready to drive on yet, so next clip will probably be me driving on it and potentially give my car its first wash in the new wash bay. So stick around for that. I just love this look though. I love being able to see straight through into the backyard. I've always wanted that. Always wanted a garage door into the backyard, so you can drive through. You know, whether it's, you know, in the future maybe put up a pergola or a shed in the corner or something, but you just got space and privacy out in the backyard, even just to wash my car. I reckon that's cool. So very happy. You happy, Mel? Happy. All right, so here we are. It's all finished. It's set. We can drive in it now. Car's in the wash bay. So it's probably time to give this thing a wash because it's filthy. Look at it. But yeah, pretty excited. I've always I wanted to be able to park my car like in the backyard for some reason. So come through the back of the garage and this big expanse of concrete. It's 11 meters by 4.5. So you could actually probably fit 4 cars on here if you really wanted to. Yeah, I don't need that many cars, but it'd be good to have. Can fit it in the porch too. That would be cool. It's hard to get around the corner, but anyway, very cool. I think it's time to wash the car. What do you reckon? We've also done just down the side of the garage here. Just neaten everything up too. Also did some steps up to the front porch, onto the front door, so that's cool. Driveway's all done. It's been acid washed. 2 coats of sealer on it, so it's all good to go. So we're in the garage now, so that's great. And when we come out the laundry door, we've got a 2-meter wide path down the side of the house. So we'll put a gate there, and there's the into the backyard. So it's all very neat. Put a garden bed in here, but yeah, looks good. How good. Absolutely love it. Gotta wash the car now. Can't bother tonight, but maybe tomorrow. So it's all clean now. I couldn't be bothered filming it. I'll do it next time, but I just wanted to enjoy it and just not worry about filming, just wash the car, and it's all clean, so looking good. Looking forward to some car shows coming up. So I think there's one in a couple of weeks' time. I think the 20th or something, Sunday the 20th, at the Mill Market, or the Federal Mill, back in North Geelong. So I might go to that one again. That was good last time. I think it's on every month now, so get down there and I'll see you there.